If you have a home garage with a huge door where you park your car, it's not difficult to see the need for a garage door opener. There are many products available to choose garage door openers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best garage door openers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Chamberlain B970T. The B970T may be one of the older models of garage door openers made by the Chamberlain, but it's still one of the best when it comes to getting the job done. It comes equipped with a motor with a max lift power equivalent to 1/1/4 HPS, which is the maximum lifting force you can ever find on any of these devices. Even when the homeowner is away, the door can still be opened and closed thanks to the smart built-in MIC technology that keeps the homeowner connected every time through Wi-Fi using the MIC app. The app also allows the homeowner to receive real-time notifications on the status of the door, whether it's open or closed. Number 2. Genie Chain Drive 750 Garage Door Opener. Equipped with a HPC DC motor and a durable chain drive, the Genie Chain Drive Garage Door Opener provides a strong and quiet solution for you to easily open and close your garage door automatically. Installation is very easy as the unit is made up of a strong 5-piece rail system that simply snaps together, making it very easy to install. The unit is not heavy at all because there is no extra hardware needed for the installation. Integrated into the Genie is a backup battery which acts as an emergency power source when the primary power is not available to use. With the backup battery, you have up to 50 cycles from the initial power failure to use the Genie Garage Door Opener. Number 3. Chamberlain Smart Garage Door Opener. If you need a quiet working garage door opener that will open and close a heavy door without the whole neighborhood knowing that you're back, the Chamberlain B970T is one of the best options I'd recommend. It opens the door quietly because it's fitted with a strong steel-reinforced belt drive, which not only produces a quiet performance but is also very durable. Number 4. Adams AT1611 Skylink Garage Door Opener. With this Adams AT1611 Skylink Garage Door Opener, you have a reliable solution you can use to open either single or double 7-foot doors easily. There are extension kits available you can use to adapt it if you have an 8-foot garage door. Equipped with powerful DC motors, the Adams AT1611 works very quietly, making it ideal for homes with living space above or close to the garage door or close to it. Number 5. BeamUp Centurion BU800. BeamUp produces 3 models of garage door openers: the Workhorse BU100, the Sentry BU400, and the Centurion BU800. The BU800 Centurion is top of the line and has the highest lift power of 1/1/4 HP, which is capable of lifting heavy carriage house garage doors, whether it's 8x7 feet or even a 16x7 feet double door. Instead of a chain, the BU800 features an ultra-quiet steel-reinforced belt drive, which provides quiet operation ideal for garages close to living and sleeping spaces. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching.